Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Coin Daily Update. We are going with every single detail and of course wish me happy birthday. It is my birthday today and we are going to proceed with the technical and price prediction. I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Crypto is not doing fine, but we are going to see what Luna is going to do because it holds pretty good for now. Well, it is for now. We are going to see major changes coming into the next days. What I have right here is the anchored VWAP. Okay, it is very cool. We can see the standard deviation top band, which is holding as a resistance level, the lower band, which is holding as a support level. I have multiplier, a 2 multiplier of the bands. That means that I want to see more mid-term to long-term price analysis rather than short-term. Okay, if you multiply the band with a 2, 3, then you get more of a mid long term and higher bands right here, higher targets and lower targets. And of course you get the VWAP line, which holds as a support level. I went back from the bottom that we had on 31st January and I wanted to see where are we going right now. The technical analysis of Luna is looking okay. It isn't looking bad, it isn't looking good. The daily commodity channel index right here holds a higher low pattern, as you can see. It is very good to know that maybe we have a buying pressure, but I'm going to explain what will happen on Luna on the weekly frame as well. Let's go to Luna against Bitcoin chart. Here I have the anchored VWAP along with the 20-day MA. This channel right here represents the support level that we need to hold for the next few days to few weeks. Of course, I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top as well. So I would say one of the most important, if not the most important support levels is the 0.20 We have one more a little bit down there, but of course it is not so important as the 0.5. And why I'm saying that, why I'm insisting on and focusing on support levels, because I think that Luna against Bitcoin chart time is coming that we are going to see a correction going on for Luna against Bitcoin chart, and therefore Luna will be correcting even more. For the time being, it doesn't look like it wants to go all the way higher. The only part that can save Luna against Bitcoin chart is maybe if we are forming right here, and if we take that seriously, yeah, could be the case that we are forming right there a nice bullish pattern, but that's the only case and it is not certain. Okay, so for now we should be paying attention to the continuous bearish RSI divergences that we have for Luna against Bitcoin chart, and therefore I do not think that we should take for granted that Luna will be going even higher, massively higher against Bitcoin chart for the time being. Luna against USDT chart right now on the daily frame looks like we have formed something different. On the daily, we have a bearish pennant formation going on for Luna. After a downtrend right here, you can see that we are forming higher lows and lower highs, leading probably into a squeeze point by around end of the May, and we are going to have a little bit of major correction going on for Luna. I think that we are going to lose the support level of the anchored VWAP, which sits at around 80 USDT, as you can see right now, and we are going to go further down. What are the next support levels right now and where we should rebuy? Probably Luna is going to go down to the 70 USDT for the time being, and we are maybe going even lower. Okay, so you should be having in your mind that 70 USDT is a very huge support level, but at the end of the day we might be getting a little bit further lower than that. We will have actually a small buying pressure leading maybe towards the 75 to 76, and then we are going to fall down again. I am just doing a technical analysis for the next days because I'm on the daily frame and not for the next hours. Okay, as for the 4-hour frame right here, what are we seeing is a higher low pattern on the commodity channel index and a higher low on the RSI as well. And I think that let's see if we had a lower low right here. No, we do not have any bullish RSI divergence or so. What we need to do right now, it isn't looking bad on on the 4-hour frame. So for the next few hours, it is not looking like it can go all the way down. But at the end of the day, what we need to do is to close above the 18.83 if we want to go to the 83.45 USDT. If we can close above the 80.85, then we are going for sure to go to the 83.45 and then to the 86.90. Okay, so perhaps this is what we need to do, but for now, for the time being, I would advise you to be careful. One bull thing that could be happening right here, a bullish thing that could be happening actually, is that maybe we want to form a double bottom on the daily frame, but it is unlikely as it is for now for Luna. Of course, Luna is one of the altcoins that did amazing throughout the year. It did all of this stuff right there. This is the logarithmic regression, but at some point Luna will just correct, and it is very healthy to correct after this crazy pump that we had. Okay, so 70 USDT for the next days is our next target. If we close above the 80 point, what it was, I will tell you immediately right now. Okay, so from this top right here to this bottom, yeah, 80.73. If we close above 80.73, we are going towards the 83.27 on the very short term. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.